Hello guys, as you know, if you want download design from Canva without background, you have to pay. So today I will show you how you can do that for free. First, when you finish your design, click on background and change color to black. Then download your design. This is our design with background. Now go to this sheet. It's like Photoshop online and drop your design here. Now click select and choose color range. Now as you see, we select now color black in our design. If I click here, I will select all color yellow. Now click on background and click OK. Now press delete. Here we go guys. But we have this line. Click here and select it, then press delete to remove it. Now let's save our design. Click here, then press on export as PNG. Here we go guys, this is our design without background. Now let's try it again. So guys, don't forget subscribe and like, you will help me so much.